Thanks for coming back for another video in our series for automated responses. Today we're talking comment to message. Pretty cool feature. It's fairly new for Facebook as far as 2021, 2022, depending on when your page rolled it out. A few people might have even got it a little bit sooner. Long story short, what it does is it allows you to message someone back automatically, or allows your system in Facebook message someone back directly through Messenger, not through comment. So that's a common confusion. But if someone comments on a post and they use one of these triggered keywords, they have to incorporate a hashtag in most cases. You'll get an automated response firing off depending on what you set up. So it's a neat feature. However, most people don't reply back with hashtags. So if you're running a contest or something like that, this comment to message can be extremely helpful. I'll show you how that works in a second. But for the most part, it's a bit buggy. So I think Facebook's got a bit of a ways to go. However, I'd set it up, play with it, try it out, test it on your own Facebook ads, and you can see how it works in real time. What you're going to do first is you're going to set up the timing. Automated responses are sent instantly after someone uses a hashtag in a comment that matches your keyword. So take that back. I didn't realize they've scratched the timing. They used to allow you to put the timing in here. So no timing needed. It's going to send instantly. And again, how's it going to work? It's not going to send a comment. It's going to send a message back in Messenger. So it'll open up a Messenger conversation with the person. You can then track them. It'll add to your pixel value, whole 9 yards. So it's a pretty cool feature in that respect. It'll also help show you which ads are triggering the most Messenger conversations. What I've set up is just one keyword response. It says you can have a maximum of 4 that can be set up. I assume they're going to be expanding that soon. 4 is pretty limited. You want to have 25, but they don't want to get a lot of cross wording. And remember, you've got to at least have 2 characters long for your words, which your keyword. I imagine you're going to. It'd be pretty tough to not. So one of the common ones is help or are you open? If you're running a giveaway, you might say something like comment down below with hashtag yes to win, and somebody can then comment hashtag yes, and if they do, you can fire off a message on what that reply will be. Maybe you have an attachment to send them as a free giveaway, or you want to add a button to have them sign up to the website, or sign up for the giveaway somewhere on the website. So excuse me, you can use comment to message in all sorts of creative ways. Usually, though, the most straightforward with the limitations that Facebook has put upon comment to message, only being able to use 4 keywords and having to use hashtags. It's something that I would probably use just for a giveaway, not much else. Now again, if someone wants to comment help or scam, or you want to try to weed out bad feedback, you can do that here, but I do that in a different section. I do that in the keywords that you can add to your page that will automatically be blocked. You can add a list of keywords that are blocked from your page. Scam, refund, any of those words you may want to block and handle privately in Messenger, rather than have somebody word out in the comments and air dirty laundry of whatever may have happened with their product or service. So just a thought, if you're trying to edit out negative keywords or negative comments, here with this section, you're really just trying to reply back and be as helpful as you can in the comment section. And again, anytime you can trigger a Messenger conversation, even if it's automated, Facebook sees that as a win or as a point in the right direction for your ad or your post or whatever you're running. And that means that post will get a little bit more reach, or you'll have a little bit cheaper ad costs, and it all is a big win for you. Plus, you'll be able to tie those Messenger conversations in your analytics directly to the ads and really see which ads or which posts are triggering the most conversations. So after you've set up all your keywords, you're good to go. Go ahead and click save, and you're off and running. Just make sure the on button's on up here, and your comment to message will fire off the next time somebody comments. If you want to test it, just go into your account and comment on one of your posts. You can see how it works in real time. If you have any questions, or you ever get stuck with setting up any of these sections for automated responses, give us a shout at how2ecommerce.com. Otherwise, have a great day.